Hi, my name is Andrew Woods of Awake Window and Door Company, and this is why we choose Xometry for our custom manufacturing services. Our company builds brilliant windows and doors and takes pride in providing second chance employment opportunities to combat mass incarceration. We care about selecting suppliers that reflect our commitment to quality, so when we needed injection molded parts, we turned to Xometry. Xometry's molding experts supported us from prototyping through production. They provided design for manufacturability feedback and sourced quality parts every step of the way. Plus, with Xometry's massive domestic and global supply network, accessing other services like 3D printing, CNC machining, or sheet fabrication is easier than ever. We're thrilled with the way our parts turned out. Start your project today by visiting Xometry.com. Xometry, where big ideas are built.